as I start out, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I got my coffee in my hand, and I say let's roll. Okay, well, I've been on YouTube in one form or another for like 12 years. Okay, I see these new YouTubers coming in and, you know, talk about the views, and they talk about the algorithm and all this stuff, and I'm like, you know, I just kind of reseated, just kind of became a YouTube watcher. I just had no real desire to create any content. Just, you know, used to see a lot of attitudes on here, used to have a lot of clicks on here. Nothing wrong with that, you know, nothing wrong with the communities, as people say. But, you know, I'm like really asking myself, do I really need to get back into YouTube? Do I really need to go on here again? Do I? Yeah, I guess I do. So, anyway, this here for me is going to be a game changer. I don't know, you know, if I should get this much into it, but they say that 4K videos can really turn the game up big time for a YouTube channel. And, you know, I prefer 1080p. I don't have a 4K television, but I like 1080p, but I got the capability now to shoot 4K. So I'm going to do an unboxing here, and we'll see what we got today, huh? Let's check her out. Okay. It's from, okay, this. What do we got? It is a Canon VIXIA G50. Okay, look at that. Is that there? Can you see it? Good. Okay. I thought long and hard on this. I was really ready to get the G60. The G60 is it's a few $100s more. It has a lot. I guess I don't know much about this stuff. I'm just learning about it. I just used to use my 1080p Samsung Full HD camera here. I just wanted some more capabilities. I wanted a shotgun mic. I wanted the wider angle lens. This thing has a viewfinder for an eyepiece and an actual screen for viewfinding. To me, it just fits. It fits everything. I'm going to be pairing it up with a SanDisk 512 gigabyte, 170 megabytes, Extreme Pro, and this should be a game changer. I mean, you know, I still say it's a lot about the YouTuber and their abilities to shoot a good quality video, but we'll see if this is an improvement. And also, I just use the excuse that I've bought stupider things in the past if I don't like it. But I think this thing should pay for itself. VIXIA G50. I'm really excited about it. I've been wanting to get one for a long time. So let's open her up here now. Here's the manual. Need to read that. I'll probably mess with it for a while, then I'll go to reading the manual. Whoa, we got a bunch of stuff in here. Let's start down here first, okay? I'm gonna start down here. So I guess this is a battery. What's that? This is some kind of... It's windy. And it's kind of cool because if it's windy, I got a dead mouse or dead rat, what they call it, on the microphone. I got this plastic blowing all over the backyard. Amazing. What do we got here? What's this? This is some kind of charging brick. Okay, I guess that's for the power cord. Okay, here's the part I was excited about. This is the little... so I guess this is the little eyepiece that comes up. cool. Oh, I see it closed and open. You got a little close switch. Open, closed, open, closed. Neato. I'm gonna clean up all this when I'm done. It's just plastic all over the yards. You may not be able to hear me. This is gonna be nice about this. It's got a mic jack, so I'll be able to plug in a shotgun mic, and I'll be able to put a muffler on the front, and it should kill some of this wind. One time I was like out here doing a video about some books I had, and I'll be talking like, oh, hear that, like that. Hopefully that'll all go away. All right, here is the part I've been looking forward to. Okay, a little tea bag. The wind's really picking up, carrying this stuff out. Pretty soon I won't have nothing to pick up. It'll just be in the neighbor's yard. I got a fence. Okay, so what do we got here? So we got a view. I guess we got a viewfinder. So that thing clicks. I guess this comes up or something. Oh, that opens it. Oh, that's like a little. All right, we'll find out what that is. Here's the lens and the cover. Some nice little, neat little lens cover. Look at that, 4K. Take the vinyl off. Okay, here's the SD card portion that accepts the SD cards. So that's like a dual slot. So I guess I could put card A and card B. I'm trying to. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get some test subjects here, and we'll see where it goes. So I guess this is the start button. Guess I'm recording now. Look at that. There it goes. Oops, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Excuse me. Guess I'm recording now. Look at that. There it goes. Oops, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Excuse me. Got my cup of coffee. Probably going to hear some kind of, I don't know what the mic's going to sound like, but you're getting a twofer today, because today I'll be unboxing the VXR10 shotgun mic, and I also got the, some people call it a dead cat, I call it a dead rat. It's a little furry thingy that cuts all this noise, this wind noise out. So I'm going to go around the garage here, backyard here, and see if I can get me some testing done here, some test subjects. So let's see, what do I look for here? Gotta get out here and clean these tomato plants. So nasty. Alright, it's in 4K. Need to get on water these trees too. Okay. What's this? We got some fell antler. Ugh. Use this for making knife handles. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this camera out and see what the difference is like. I'll try it without the dead rat, see what it sounds like, and we'll try it with the dead rat, see what it sounds like. I just call it the dead rat. I put this thing on here, and then I put the clip on and pull some of the fur out. So I like to pull this out like this. There's the microphone. So here's the so what do I do? I guess this is the thing I use, a little curly Q one here. That will work, won't it? And I got a long cord I can use for when I want to. Maybe I can get the deep blogger voice like that. No, I can kind of put my mouth next to the microphone and kind of talk and sound like a radio personality. And you're like, this guy really knows what he's talking about here. Alright, so let's see. So I guess I go like this, right? Is that what I do? I don't know. I've never done this before. Okay, so there's a little wheel. I guess that tightens up. Is that how the, okay, there it goes. It's going on. So there's that. Then I come down here to the mic. Plug the mic in. Okay, carefully put my hand in the strap. And then go ahead and start moving. See what the zoom seems like here, huh? How close can we get? What's it look like? Middle of December. We're not going to get any flowers or any nice pictures here. Dogs are over there barking at the neighbor's dog. That's where I used to do a lot of my, when I get on my soapbox and it was too noisy inside. Ellie. Okay, now I'm gonna put the camera on. We'll see how that goes. All right, back at the camera. The dead rat. And we'll go ahead and fire her up. Record. So, there it is with the microphone. A little bit of windage. So does the microphone help? You can hear my voice. I guess there's a little bit of a... So we'll find out. I mean, there's a learning curve to this stuff. Same walk. You get out and pull some of these weeds. God, that's horrible. It's so embarrassing. Maybe I should stop messing with YouTube and, like, you know, take care of the yard. Would that be a good idea? So I'm going to close this viewfinder. Stick my eye through the eye viewfinder here. Oh. Guess there's a piece that I pull up. Oh, I see. Okay, now I have an eye viewfinder. I can see through here. God, I barely see it though. I mean, it's blurry. It's probably an adjustment I gotta figure out for this. I like the side window much better. But it's good. I mean, you know, I need to take pictures or something and I can at least see what I'm seeing here. See a real outline of it. Okay. So I'm gonna go back now. I'm gonna put the dead rat on. You can see what that sounds like. Okay. Alright, so there it was, guys, my first test of shooting 4K. I'm going to go ahead and play with it on the editor, see how it does. So, thanks for watching.